The Nain Bandhi Naino Se teaser from Thalaivi was released on Friday. With 100 trained dancers, it showcases actress Kangana Ranaut's classical dancing skills learnt over a month of rigorous training for the film. Opening up about the experience of performing Bharatnatyam for the first time, Kangana shared, "Every day working on Thalaivi has been a learning experience for me. This song challenged me to learn a new art form, Bharatnatyam." Jayama was an incredible powerhouse of talent. She was a trained dancer, and playing her, I had to look believable in my craft on screen. Taking up new challenges makes me stronger, so I took up the task to learn this traditional dance form, Bharatnatyam. Depicting the Bharatnatyam skills for the first time that Kangana learned for the film, the song takes us to an interesting turn in the professional as well as the personal life of Jayalalitha. Kangana underwent hours of training to learn the classical dance for the particular song. With innumerable hours of rehearsals, practice, and finally the shoot, we have offered our sweat and blood with Nain Bandhe Naino Se, and I am thrilled to present the song to the world. Shot across 4 days, Nain Bandhe Naino Se required 15 days of set work and over a month of dance rehearsals before the shoot. The superstar of Tamil cinema, Jayalalitha, was trained in Carnatic music, Western classical piano, and various forms of classical dance, including Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam, Manipuri, and Kathak. After the release of Teri Aankhon Mein, the makers of Thalaivi are set to unveil yet another facet of Jayalalitha's cinematic career with the upcoming song Nain Bandhe Naino Se. Earlier, the trailer of Thalaivi highlighted the varied phases of Jayalalitha's life, throwing light on her struggles in the early stages of her film career to her rise to stardom. The film also vividly depicts the battles of Jayalalitha in her political career as the legendary leader who shaped Tamil Nadu politics. Directed by Vijay, Thalaivi, presented by Vibri Motion Pictures, Karma Media Entertainment, and Zee Studios, in association with Gothic Entertainment and Sprint Films, has been produced by Vishnu Vardhan Induri and Shailesh R. Singh, and co-produced by Hitesh Thakkar and Tirumal Reddy, with Brinda Prasad as the creative producer. Thalaivi is set to be released in theatres worldwide in Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu by Zee Studios on September 10.